Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can download and install Jukebox for Geometry Dash in 2026. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser and then you need to look for a GOD Geometry Dash. If you haven't already, you need to install this mod. Then press on download and download for Windows or other platforms. In my case, it will be Windows. And after download is finished, I just need to open it, of course. Press OK, next, agree, next, install, and wait until installation process is done. After install is done, press next, press finish, open up Steam, and go to Geometry Dash. Wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then press on GOD icon, press download and write Jukebox, right? Jukebox, get it. Install, wait until install is done, restart now. And wait until Geometry Dash is restarts, basically. And after that, what you need to do next is to press on create or on the icon, go to, for example, daily challenges, and then should be a Jukebox icon here. Just press on a play, press on this little icon here. Then what you need to do next is to press plus icon here. On the local, press add and add particular file, right? Then you can give it a name if you want to and press add here. When the song is added, then what you need to do here is to select that particular song and then try to play the game. And as you can see here, song is added. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I help you out, please press like.